This is the effort in urban communities that's going to save them so they won't be obsolete and sustain economically with the minority populations that dominate those landscapes. This is a have to, not a want to.
At Alpha Drones USA, we're using drone technology as a catalyst for pioneering the way future drone pilots launch careers through workforce development programs nationwide. Our Drone Workforce Development Initiative offers a comprehensive course and hands-on internship, equipping individuals to earn their FAA Part 107 remote pilot license. Through collaborations with mayors and policymakers, we're bringing innovative educational programs and our drone cleaning services to communities nationwide. Our mission enhances residents' quality of life and ensures cleaner, well-maintained municipal buildings and office structures. Guided by our 4 pillars: safety, education, innovation, and workforce development, we're shaping the next generation of drone professionals. Workforce development leaders. Together with us at Alpha Drones USA, residents in your neighborhood can prepare to take flight towards establishing a rewarding career in aviation. To learn more, visit us at alphadronesusa.com or email us at info@alphadronesusa.com.